Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is understanding the quadrilaterals. So yesterday we have discussed in the previous video that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is independent of the number of sides. It will be 360 degree in all the polygons, whether they are having the 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides or 10 sides. The sum will be 360. Whereas the angle sum property of the interior angles is different. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. The sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. The sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540. That is different. By using the formula, we can calculate the sum of the interior angles, and that formula is n minus 2 into 180. So now the question, yesterday we have discussed up to question number 1 of exercise 3.2. Today we will discuss the question number 2. In this question, as I told you previously, that you are supposed to have your textbook with you while you are watching the video, so that you can also read the questions, and you should also understand that what type of information is given in the question. So in question number 2, find the measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon. So first of all, we should understand the regular polygon. What are the regular polygon? The regular polygon are those polygons in which the length of each side is equal, means all sides are of equal length. So here, if all the sides are equal, means the regular polygons are there, then their interior angles will be equal, as at the same time the exterior angles will also be equal. So the first case is question number 2, and part first, sides equals to 5 sides are, 9 sides are given, not the 5 sides, 9 sides are given. So we are supposed to find the measure of exterior angle. Measure of exterior angle means one angle is equals to the sum of the exterior angles, that is 360 degrees, upon number of sides. So for the polygon, the regular polygon having 9 sides, that will be 360 degree upon 9, that is 40 degree. Means the exterior angle of a regular polygon having 9 sides will be 40 degree. All the exterior angle will be 40 degree each. At the same time, in the second part, if the sides are 15, now the second part, if the sides are 15, then we are supposed to change at last only. We are supposed to divide by 15, that is 15 to the 30, 6 is remaining, 6 0 60, 15 4 ja 60, and then the measure of each exterior angle of that regular polygon will be 24 degrees. So this was question number 2. After that, we are supposed to move towards the question number 3. Question number 3. In question number 2, the number of sides was given. We are supposed to find the measure of the exterior angle of the regular polygon. In next question, that is the converse of that, the measure of the exterior angle is given, that is 24 degree, and we are supposed to find the sides of the regular polygon. So we can write question number first, that is the one part only. Here the measure is given, measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon is equals to 24 degrees. 24 degrees. You are supposed to keep in mind the formula we used in the previous question. We are supposed to use that same formula here, but this formula is applicable for the polygons which are regular, means whose sides are equal in length. So here we are supposed to find the number of sides. So number of sides equals to the sum of the exterior angles, that is 360 degree, that is fixed, upon measure of each exterior angle, and that is 360 degree upon 24. So 24 1 ja 24, and afterwards remaining 12, and 0 is borrowed, 120, 24 5 is 120, means there will be 15 sides. That is the same thing in the previous question. It was given find the measure of the exterior angle when the sides are 15, we calculated, that is 24. Here it is given that the measure of the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 24, we are supposed to find the number of sides. Again we got the same answer, that is 15. So like this we are supposed to proceed. Now in the next question, the same question is there. How many sides does a regular polygon has if each of its interior angle is 165? Here some difference is there. In question number 4, the measure of interior angle is given. Interior angle, I will highlight that. Interior means inside the polygon, exterior means outside, and that is given 165 degree. So using that interior angle of regular polygon, we can find out the exterior one, because both will be the linear pair angles. So measure of each exterior angle will be equals to 180 degree minus 165 degree, because these will be linear pair angles. From here we got that is 180 minus 165, that is 15 degree. Now we can find the number of sides using the previous formula. Number of sides is equals to the sum of the exterior angle, that is 360 degree, upon measure of each exterior angle, that is 360 degree upon 15. So 15 2 ja 30 and 15 4 ja 60, means that regular polygon will have 24 sides. So like this we are supposed to proceed the questions given in this exercise. The next question is there, that is question number 5. That two parts are given. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon, and what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? If the interior angle is maximum, then the exterior angle will be minimum. The same thing is there. So if the interior angle is minimum, the exterior will be maximum. So we will take when the exterior angle will be maximum, that will be if the sides are less, because the measure of the exterior angle is taken by the formula, that is measure of exterior angle is equals to 360, that is fixed upon number of sides. Means if we are supposed to maximize that maximum, that should be minimum. With minimum we have to divide, we will get the maximum. So for the maximum exterior angle, we are supposed to divide the polygon having the minimum side, and that polygon is triangle. So for the regular triangle, we are supposed to find the regular polygons. So for the regular triangles, means regular triangle is equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, we can find out the interior angle, that will be 60, because all the angles will be equal, and the angle sum property of a triangle is 180. 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. So 60 degree will be the minimum interior angle, and afterwards of a regular polygon. Afterwards, what will be the maximum exterior angle? The interior angle and the exterior angle are the linear pair angles. So if the interior angle is 60, the exterior angle will be 120. So 60 is the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon, and 120 is the maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon. Like this we can proceed the questions given in this exercise. In today's homework, you are supposed to solve all the questions of this exercise 3.2 up to what questions we have discussed. You are supposed to solve it again. If you have done before, then you are supposed to repeat it again, and after completing, you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.